storms of life will blow. They're sure to come and go. They meet us all at a time when we're calm and doing fine. But the captain of my soul is always on board. He rocks me in his arms while riding through the storm. While riding through the storm, Jesus holds me in his arms, and no, I'm not afraid of the stormy winds nor the waves. And though the tides become high, he holds me while I ride. I found safety in the Master's loving arms while riding through the storm. I have no fear of the raging sea, knowing Jesus will forever be right here with me. He can speak to the winds, to my enemies, and to the waves, and he'll make them all behave.